Hello student, this is the fifth part of the lesson Nazism and Rise of Hitler. We were discussing about the 2.2 reconstruction. So we have discussed about the economist, Hitler's economist whose name was Helmer Schacht. He advised Hitler not to involve in the destructive activity or in the war because of loss in the financial position, that decline. But Hitler had his own taken his own decision. He was not ready. Hitler was not ready to accept the decision whatever given by the Shah. So that we seen yesterday. And Hitler here 2.2 on the page number 2.2 we will discuss it, page number 2. Page number 2, that is 2.2. So Hitler here did not stop here. Schacht had advised Hitler against investing hugely in the rearmament, means whose advice was this? That is Schacht. To whom? To the Hitler, that hugely in the rearmament the state still ran on the deficit financing. इन्होंने कहा शख्स ने कि अभी भी स्टेट जो है वो पूरी इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी नहीं हुई है, दैट इज गोइंग इन द डेफिसिट, मीन्स फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस स्टिल इट इज गोइंग ऑन और इकोनॉमी नॉट इंक्रीज. सो कॉशियस पीपल however had no place in Nazis. तो नाजी में ऐसे कॉशियस पीपल, शाक जैसे कॉशियस पीपल की कोई भी जगह नहीं थी. हैड नो प्लेस इन द नाजीज जर्मनी. ही गेव फ्रूटफुल एडवाइस, रियल एडवाइस, गुड एडवाइस, बट ही वॉज अगेंस्ट दिस एडवाइस. हु? दैट इज हिटलर. सो शाक हैड टू लिव, और इसीलिए शाक को अपनी जगह एज ए इकोनॉमिस्ट छोड़ना पड़ा. Hitler chose war as the way out of approaching. Means Hitler, he chose the war, and Schacht was against the war because of financial condition that was not, or economy that was going even deficit, means minus position of that was not improperly. Here economic crisis that was going on in the Germany, it was not ended. Resources were to be accumulated through the expansion of territory. In September 1939, Germany invaded Poland. In September 1939, Germany invaded Poland. Means this one was the starting of Second World War. By the for this Second World War initiative taken by whom? That is Germany, by attacking on the Poland. This started the war with the France and England. और इसी के कारण वॉर स्टार्ट हुआ किसके साथ? France and England. In September 1940, tripartite means three-party pact. Tripartite pact means three-party pact that was signed between Germany, Italy and Japan. Germany, Italy and Japan, strengthening Hitler's claim to international power. Hitler claim was that to capture whole of the Europe or bring whole of the Europe in his own control. Puppet regime supportive of Nazi Germany were installed in a large part of Europe, and by the end of 40 Hitler was at pinnacle of his power. मीन्स 1940 तक जर्मन में हिटलर जो था, हिटलर ही वॉज पिनाकल ऑफ हिज पावर. पिनाकल मीन्स हाईएस्ट पीक, पावर के हाईएस्ट पीक पर था 1940 तक. So Hitler now moved to achieve his long-term aim of the conquering Eastern Europe. He wanted to ensure food supplies and the living space for German. Hitler now moved to achieve his long-term aim. And what was the long-term aim of the Hitler? That is conquering Eastern Europe, that bringing in his own control. It was his aim of or long-term aim. He wanted to ensure food supplies and living space for the German. He attacked the Soviet Union in June 1941. In this historic blunder means this is the stupid mistake. Blunder means mistake. So he attacked the Soviet Union पर इन्होंने अटैक किया in 1941. In this historic blunder, Hitler exposed the German Western Front to the British aerial bombing and Eastern Front to the powerful Soviet Army. Soviet Army, they were very powerful. So Soviet Red Army inflicted means imposed, crushing and humiliating defeat of the Germany at the Stalingrad. और इसी के कारण दिस पावरफुल कंट्रीज allies, they also reacted and this Germany had to face the defeat का सामना जर्मन को करना पड़ा in front of the powerful Soviet army. And Germany defeated on at the Stalingrad. After this Soviet Red Army hounded means पीछे हटते हुए, hounded means what? Going back, hounded out the retreating German soldiers until they reached the heart of Berlin, establishing Soviet hegemony over the entire Eastern Europe for half century thereafter. Hegemony means control, bringing control or domination over the entire Eastern Europe. Who brought this control on entire Europe? German soldier until they reach the heart of Berlin. बर्लिन के हार्ट में पहुँचे कौन? Soldiers, German soldiers. Meanwhile, what happened? Meanwhile, the USA had resisted involvement in the war. लेकिन तब तक USA had resisted for involvement in the war because USA had imagination about the destruction taken place in the First World War, and he refused to enter or resisted involvement in this war. it was unwilling to once again face all the economic problems that the First World War had caused. Means this one was the reason that he resisted involvement in the Second World War. It is about the USA. But it could not stop out of the war for the long time. लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए यूएस वॉर से पीछे नहीं रह सका. जापान वॉज expanding its power in the east. At that time, Japan was involved in expanding power in the east. It had occupied French Indochina. जापान ने क्या ऑक्युपाइड किया था? फ्रेंच इंडो चाइना, एंड वॉज प्लानिंग अटैक ऑन द यूएस नेवल बेस. यूएस नेवी पर इन्होंने अटैक किया. किसने? जापान ने. He started expanding power in the east and he occupied which country? French Indochina, जिसे वियतनाम है, अलग अलग कंट्री अभी हुए हैं. तो एट दैट टाइम दैट वाज टोटली French occupied China, and Japan bought control in that. And when he was means Japan was in the planning for attacking on the US naval base in the Pacific. When Japan extended its support to Hitler, जापान ने किसका सपोर्ट लिया? हिटलर का. When Japan extended its support to Hitler, हिटलर को इन्होंने सपोर्ट किया जापान ने. एंड बॉम्ब टू यूएस बेस पर्ल हार्बर. यूएस बेस पर्ल हार्बर पर जापान ने हिटलर की मदद लेते हुए बॉम्ब मीन्स दे ओपन बॉम्ब ऑन द बेस यूएस बेस पर्ल हार्बर. Then this one was the reason for entering US in the Second World War, because US became aggressive because of the bomb drew by whom? Japan, with the help of Hitler. So US entered the Second World War. The war ended in May 1945. Second World War का end कब हुआ? 1945 May, with the Hitler defeat. In this he had to face the defeat. Who? That is Hitler. And US dropping the atom bomb on Hiroshima in Japan. And because of enraged aggressive USA, what USA done? That he attacked of the atom bomb on the Hiroshima, which is in Japan, and after that Nagasaki also. But initiative taken by whom? Japan, for the attack or bomb on the US base Pearl Harbor, and US gave the answer by attacking on the Hiroshima, which is city of Japan. From this brief account of what happened in the Second World War, we now return to the Helmut and his father's story of Nazi criminal during the war. In the starting, which we have seen the story of Helmut father, how that was the story of Helmut father, means Nazi criminality during that year, because till when Hitler was pinnacle of his power, he treated very badly to the Jews. And when German defeated in Second World War in May 1405, so it was the term of Hitler and his parties or his followers for getting the severe punishment, and that is why हिटलर कमिटेड सुसाइड. हिटलर ने क्या किया? उसके मिनिस्टर के साथ सुसाइड किए, और उसके जो फॉलोअर्स थे, फॉलोअर्स ऑफ हिटलर्स, दे वेर इन द थ्रेटन दैट नाउ देयर इज देयर टर्म फॉर गेटिंग द सीवियर punishment, and that is why because of this fearing or threaten Helmut's father, he shot himself. Okay. So this is about the end of Hitler, how he because of Hitler, that was the initiative of Second World War and end of this Second World War, by defeating the Hitler. Then come to the Nazi world view. Nazi world view, subchapter 3. Nazi world view. Here, crimes of the Nazis that committed were linked to a system of belief and set of practices. Nazi ideology was synonymously with the Hitler worldview, means Nazi ideas and Hitler idea, both these were same or equal, and that is why word is used here synonymously. So according to this, there was no equality between the people, but only racial hierarchy. Hierarchy means level, and racial means origin of the family or vansh. In this view, blonde means person of fair hair, blonde, blue-eyed, Nordic German Aryans, German Aryans were at the top. Means Hitler promoted to only Nordic German Aryans. They were at the top of this society, and while Jews were located at the lowest rung. Rung means जिसे हम फ्लोर मैट फॉर एंटरिंग मैट ऑफ द डोर और डोर मैट. रंग मीन्स डोर मैट जो नीचे होता है. तो पोजीशन ऑफ द जूस लोकेटेड एट द बॉटम एंड एट द टॉप दे वर नॉर्डिक जर्मन आर्यन who Hitler and his Nazi were supported to the Nordic German. They came to be regarded as an anti-race and arch enemies of Aryan. Means आर्यन समझते थे कि या नाजी समझते थे कि ये जो जूस थे दे वर लोवेस्ट रंग or at the bottom, and they were real. They are the real enemies, arch enemies. All other colored people, they were placed in between depending upon their external features. Hitler's racism borrowed from the thinkers like the Charles Darwin and the Herbert Spencer. Means Hitler's idea, that was the racism, borrowed from which thinker? That Charles Darwin की Herbert Spencer. So what was the idea or thinking of the Darwin and Herbert Spencer, which he supported Hitler? That Darwin was the natural scientist. Darwin क्या था? Natural scientist, and who tried to explain. He tried to explain the creation of plants and animals. The concept of evaluation and natural selection. Herbert Spencer later added the idea of survival of the fittest. हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर ने कौन सी आइडिया शेयर की? सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस आइडिया only those species survived on the earth, only those species survive on the earth that could adapt themselves to changing the climatic condition. जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन को अडॉप्ट करते हैं, फ्लेक्सिबल है या क्लाइमेटिक हार्श क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन को अडॉप्ट करते, ऐसी स्पेसीज का सर्वाइवल, प्लांट्स का सर्वाइवल हो सकता ऑन दी अर्थ. सो वी शुड बियर इन द माइंड, हमें माइंड में डालना है कि डार्विन नेवर एडवोकेट ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन इन व्हाट ही थॉट was purely natural process of selection. Means actual he put, Darwin put idea about, not put idea about the human being, but that idea was of the nature, because basically he was natural scientist. And this however his idea were used by the racist thinkers. लेकिन इनकी आइडिया मीन्स मैनिपुलेट करके, सिस्टमेटिकली मैनिपुलेट करके इन्होंने ये आइडिया या थिंकिंग ही ब्रॉट इन बाय द रेसिस्ट मीन्स पॉलिटिशियंस टू जस्टिफाई द इम्पेरियल रूल ओवर कॉन्क्यूअर पीपल. सो however his idea were used by the racist, उनकी आइडिया कौन यूज करते थे? racist thinkers and politician. for what purpose? to justify the imperial rule, imperial rule को justify करने के लिए over the conqueror people. नाजी argument was simple, नाजी का argument बहुत ही simple था. the strongest race would be survive and weak ones would पेरिश. तो इन्होंने ये आइडिया पर्पसफुली मैनिपुलेट करके अपना खुद का आइडिया बनाई नाजी ने कि जिसका रेस जो है या ओरिजिन जो है, यदि वो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है वही सर्वाइव हो सकता, और वीक रेसिस्ट रेस और पीपल वन शुड पेरिश, वो ख़त्म ही होने वाला है, डिस्ट्रॉय होने वाला है. ये किसकी आइडिया थी? नाजी की. नाजी मीन्स हिटलर. मीन्स दे सपोज टू देमसेल्फ अ डिजायरेबल और स्ट्रॉन्ग रेस, दैट इज आयरन रेस. द आयरन रेस वॉज फिटेस्ट, और वही सर्वाइवल होगा. इट हैड टू रिमेन इन द प्योरिटी, बिकम स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड डोमिनेट द वर्ल्ड. मीन्स वो प्योर भी है और वो स्ट्रॉन्गर भी है और वर्ल्ड को डोमिनेट करना है. मीन्स ही कंपेयर दिस आर्यन रेस टू द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एज द आइडिया पुट बाय दिस साइंटिस्ट, नेचर साइंटिस्ट. Actual this is not the comparison, but he compared this idea with the iron race. Actually this is not interference of human as per the Spender and Darwin. Then the other aspects of Hitler's ideology related to the geopolitical concept of the Lebensraum or living space. Concept of Lebensraum is or living space. He believed that new territorial had to be acquired for the settlement. This would enhance the idea of मदर कंट्री, और इसी के कारण मदर्स कंट्री के आइडिया को प्रमोट कर सकते, इन्हांस कर सकते, while enabling and settler on the new land to remain the intimate link with the place of the origin. लोग कहाँ भी जाते हैं तो उनका ओरिजिन क्या है वो it makes the matter from which origin he came or from which race he came. It would also enhance the material resources. इन्होंने प्रमोट या इन्हांस किसको क्या, मटेरियल रिसोर्सेस एंड पावर्स ऑफ द जर्मन नेशन. देन हिटलर intended to extend German boundaries by moving the eastward and concentrate all German geographically in one place. Means he wanted to concentrate all Germans geographically in one place, and Poland became the laboratory of his experiment. और इसके ये एक्सपेरिमेंट की bringing other territories or German geographically in one place, and first experiments of this Hitler is of the Poland. That is, Poland became the laboratory of the experiment for the Hitler. Then come to the establishment of the racial state. He established racial state in the Germany. So once in power, Nazi quickly began. जैसे ही नाजी पावर में आते हैं तो they quickly began to implement their dream. उनकी जो आइडियाज़ थी, ड्रीम्स थी, उन्होंने क्विकली इम्प्लीमेंट किया फॉर क्रिएटिंग द एक्सक्लूसिव रियल कम्युनिटी ऑफ प्योर जर्मन. For what? Creating the exclusive racial community, means Nazi community, Nordic Iron community, which they consider pure German, by physically eliminating all those who were seen undesirable. और physically जो non undesirable थे, Jews, Gypsies, then Polish minority in German, Russian minorities, they were, all these were considered as undesirable, and they wanted to remove from the German. New word was here, that Nordic German Aryan, means one branch of those classified as a Aryan. They live in North European countries. In Aryans जो थे, they were living in the North European countries and had German or related origin, जिसका origin कौन सा था, German, and they were called the Nordic German Aryan. So now come to the page number 62 of your textbook. Sorry, 62 of your textbook. And Nazi wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryan. नाजी क्या चाहते थे, कौन सी सोसाइटी खाली चाहिए, जर्मन में सोसाइटी ऑफ प्योर एंड हेल्थी नॉर्डिक आर्यन. दे अलोन वेयर कंसिडर डिजायरेबल, और खुद को वो क्या समझते थे, डिजायरेबल. Only they were seen as a worthy of the prospering and multiplying against all other who were classed as undesirable. This means that even those German who were seen as impure, German के ही लेकिन जो impure थे, as per their consideration or abnormal, had no right to exist. मीन्स जीवित रहने का भी इनको अधिकार नहीं था. टू whom that is non pure or non healthy or they were considered as a undesirable, including Jews, Russian, then people from the Poland. They had no right to exist. जीवित रहने का, सर्वाइव करने का भी अधिकार नहीं था because of impure. Under the Euthanasia program means getting death, kind death, और जिसे हम दया मृत्यु भी कह सकते हैं. That was one of the program because these people, the undesirable people, as per them had no right to exist. Survive करने का अधिकार नहीं था. And alternative of for them, which program was there? Euthanasia. It was one of the program for mass killing. So Helmut's fathers, along with other Nazi officials, had condemned to the death many Germans who were considered mentally or physically unfit. तो हेल्मस फादर और नाजी ऑफिशियल ने इनको कंडेम किया. इनको भी सजा मिली या कंडेम किया, इन्होंने विरोध किया डेथ ऑफ मेनी जर्मन्स. सो जूस वेर नॉट ओनली कम्युनिटी क्लासिफाइड अनडिजायरेबल. तो जूस ये तो एक कम्युनिटी थी ही एज पर द नाजी अनडिजायरेबल, लेकिन अकेली ही नहीं थी. दे वेर अदर्स, मेनी जिप्सीज एंड ब्लैक लिविंग इन द नाजी. जो ब्लैक थे नाजी जर्मन में रहने वाले, दे वेर कंसिडर रेसियल इन्फेरियर. उनको क्या कहा जाता था? रेसियल इन्फेरियर. who treated the biological impurity of the superior Aryan race. They were widely persecuted, giving bad treatment. Persecuted means what? Giving bad treatment. To whom were getting the bad treatment? This inferior. By whom? Superior Aryan race or from the Nazi. Even Russian and Poles were considered. Even Russians and Poles, they were considered Shugman. Means that is less than human या बहुत ही निचले स्तर का या बॉटम. एंड हेंस अनडिजर्विंग. अनडिजर्विंग मीन्स नो नीड. अनडिजर्विंग ऑफ एनी ह्यूमैनिटी मीन्स दे वांटेड टू प्रमोट ओनली देयर कम्युनिटी. नॉर्डिक आर्यन और डिजायरेबल एंड अदर दे वांटेड टू लिव द वर्ल्ड. व्हेन Germany occupied Poland and part of the Russia, captured civilians were forced to work as slave labor. Many of them died simply through the hard work and starvation. Means जब जर्मन ने पोलैंड पे अटैक किया था एंड other part of the Russia captured. So to whom captured? After attacking on the Poland and part of Russia, they captured the people from the Poland and Russia, some civilians, and they forced to work as a slave laborers. और उनके द्वारा कौन सा काम करवा के लिया था नाजी ने, हिटलर ने? स्लेव लेबर का. मेनी ऑफ देम डाइड, और बहुत सारे लोग स्लेव लेबर मरे. दे डाइड. क्यों मरे? व्हाट वाज द रीजन? Simply through the hard work and starvation, means because of hard work and starvation they died. So here Jews remain the worst suffer in Nazi. Jews को बहुत ही वर्स्ट सफ़र करना पड़ा नाजी जर्मनी में. नाजी hatred of the Jews had the precursor argue angriness. Precursor means angriness in the traditional Christian hostility towards the Jews. Means Jews, these were the people hated by whom? Nazi. They had been stereotype means एक आरोप लगाया था, ये उनके मन में द्वेष की भावना थी. They had stereotype as the killers of the Christ and the usurer. Means what? Money lender. Means Christ and usurers means मनी लैंडर. इनको किसने किल किया था? जूज. अनडिजायरेबल. तो इनके मन में ये स्टीरियोटाइप था नाजीज में. Until medieval time Jews were barred means restriction. इस पीरियड में जूस को रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे. फ्रॉम ओविंग लैंड मीन्स उनकी खुद की लैंड भी नहीं होना चाहिए. दे सर्वाइव मेनली थ्रू द ट्रेड एंड मनी लेंडिंग. उनका सर्वाइवल किस पर था? ट्रेड एंड मनी लेंडिंग. दे लिव्ड सेपरेटली मार्क एरियाज एंड दे वेर कॉल्ड द गेटोज. जो रहने वाला जो ठिकान था आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी एंड दे वेर कंसिडर एज अ गेटो. दे वेर ऑफन persecuted means खत्म करना. They were persecuted through the periodic organized violence and expulsion from the land. However, Hitler hated of the Jews based on the pseudo-scientific theories of race. Pseudo-scientific theory of race means खत्म करने वाली theory, which held the conversion was no solution to the Jewish problem. Jews का problem जो था it could not be solved only through their total elimination. ये problem तभी solve हो सकता है जब total उनका elimination होगा या उनका नायनाट होगा. So this is the end of this part. Thank you students.